Hey traders, stock market update time. Let's get straight into it. Guys, do not place a trade based on what you see in this video. Trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There's no guarantees of making money in the markets, so be smart about the way that you are trading. All right, guys. I've just opened up my 12-month coaching program for 2019. I only allow 5 to 10 people in at any given one time to my coaching program. If you would like to get me as your coach for the next 12 months, have my systems, my strategies, and me coach you every single week for the next 12 months plus, leading, basically for 2019, then this is the time. I've just opened up. First, there should be a link in the description there, maybe the first link. Click on that, go fill out the application form if you're interested in joining my coaching program and having me as a coach, and I will call you to see if you're a good fit. Let's get straight into what's the Dow Jones and all these indices doing. Firstly, what's been going on through here? Now, the Dow Jones has had this rally up, right? We had this big drop down through here. And then now what do we have? We have this rally up. And now we're getting a pretty strong selling through here, aren't we? Get a very, very strong selling through here. Now, if we go look at the S&P, what is the S&P doing? The S&P, what? It actually came back down. It rallied up. And now it's actually rejecting at this level. Now, what is that level? That's that long-term, look at that long-term weekly chart. And now we've broken back down. We've held here. And now we rallied back up. And we rejected it where? We've rejected it right here. So this is very, very, very weak for the stock market right now. Very weak for the stock market, because you can see how it completely rejected those two levels through there, and now it looks like it's starting to head down. And same for the Nasdaq as well too. Look at that Nasdaq trend line on that weekly chart. And what ended up happening? Look where we are right now on the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq is really, really, really weak right now, guys. So And right now you can see this lower high through here, and you can see getting that happening right there on that chart as well too. So if we start to break this 7,000 level, guys, look out below on these on the actual stock market itself, because we're likely to start breaking down a lot in these actual markets here. So guys, please do not fight this market. Please go with the market. Don't think you're smarter than the markets. This may be some sort of a topping pattern right now. My indicators, the way, or should I say, the way that I'm reading these charts, the momentum is slowing right now. So this actually could be some sort of top. Since 2016 to basically early this year, the momentum has been very, very strong on the upside, but right now the momentum has completely gone out of the bull market right now, and we're looks like we're just sort of forming some sort of topping pattern right now in the markets. It's very, very weak right now. Momentum has gone. The momentum is no longer on the upside. So guys, all I say is that just be very, very, very smart. If you are bullish this market right now, just make sure you have your stops in place. Because this market could start to get very, very violently, very, very quickly. Before you go, make sure you grab the free Grab the Markets by the Balls training course. In this training course, you're going to learn the top 13 deadly mistakes, the success formula, charting boundaries, the PT method, the ultimate trading system, the blast off trading system, #1 in trading indicator, the $1 million trade and money management, how successful traders approach the market, and so much more. Get this trading course for free right now. Click on the very first link in the description to get this whole complete trading course to give you the edge on your side of trading this market. Do that right now, and I'll see you on the other side.